Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Stair Experts. We're standing inside Sushant Log Phase 3. This is Sector 57. Today we are on a plot size of 240 square yards, which is a 3-bedroom hall kitchen. Let's get started with the configuration of the house. The place where I'm standing right now, this is the formal dining section of the house, which is bang opposite to this place is kitchen. This is the formal living space. So this is like formal living cum dining space of the house. On the floor you'll see this is complete Italian stone. Over the ceiling you'll see this is a small square shaped ceiling design which has yellow color recessed LED strip lights, and this is your complete round shaped LED. Now towards my front you'll see this is the wooden console given to you where you can hang your television, and this is the provisioning done for the air conditioning system. This wall sits empty for your customization. This one as well. This is the entrance door. So this would be something that I would suggest कि यहाँ पर आप अपना मंदिर बना सकते हैं अच्छा सा. नीचे में आपको कैबिनेटरी स्पेस के लिए जगह दिया हुआ है. इधर में सारा का सारा आपका स्पेसेस है. ये पूरा का पूरा आपका डाइनिंग सेक्शन है. टेबल for 6 to 8 people can easily be placed. This is the provisioning for the air conditioning system. This is a long running rectangular ceiling design which has a center part lifted little lower towards the surface, and this is a fan that you see above me. This is your shaft window. ये पूरा का पूरा आपका shaft window है. यहाँ पर में आपका गीज़र लगा हुआ है. Now let's get started with the first bedroom of the house. This is the first bedroom of the property which has Italian on the surface. This is a normal wall. This is again a normal wall left for your customization. This is the provisioning done for your air conditioning system. This is a UPVC fixed glass window which has a slider with this. Towards my front you will see this is the closet section, your wardrobe section that we talk about. Complete. ये आपका पूरा का पूरा कंसोल है, वुडन कंसोल where you can hang your television. You've got the upholstery shelf, running shelf and cabinetries down there. This is also connected with the balcony. A long running balcony which has anti-skid stone placed on the surface of the balcony. This is the provisioning for your air conditioning system. That's your tap area. That's your drainage vessel. This is your MS ka toughened railing, and this is something that I say toughened glasses by Miko. ये पूरा जिंदल स्टेनलेस स्टील का है. आसपास की सराउंडिंग्स एक बारी आके थोड़ा सा दिखा दीजिए प्लीज़. You've got a park just bang opposite to your home. You can see the benches, the red color benches. Got a high-rise towers nearby to your surroundings, and I still hear some euphonious chirpy sound of birds. This is all nature. This specific first bedroom is also connected with the washroom here. This is the washroom. A normal anti-skid flooring on the surface which is a chess color. Designer tiles on the walls. You've got the sanitary fittings by Jaguar. That's your rain head. This is a beautiful Italian stone and cabinetries and a bowl shaped vanity out here. This is also considered as the powder room because this is just connected to this way. इधर से भी आप दिखा सकते हैं. This is going to act as a powder room as well. एक बार दिखा दीजिए उधर से. On the left hand side you've got a glass mirror as well. So this is the hallway area. That's your kitchen. This is the second bedroom of the house. Once you enter inside the second bedroom, you just get bang opposite to the mirror. This is going to be a dressers area, small, a wooden console. You've got the modular switches, running shelf, cabinetries. This is all your closet section. Italian on the surface. You've got the square shaped ceiling design which has LED round lights. This is your washroom space, a natural sunlight. इधर light जलाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Anti-skid on the surface. Over the walls you'll see this is designer tile. This is a small mirror placed to you in front, and गीजर दिया हुआ है, आपका रेन हेड है, सैनिटरी फिटिंग्स जैगुआर की है. दिस इज योर वॉल माउंटेड सीट. You've got the vanity by Jaguar, and you've got the Italian stone here, and you've got the cabinetries. This is connected with the balcony. This is your balcony area. You've got the anti-skid natural stone on the surface. You've got the metal car railing. You can get the galvanization is almost done here. And this is the provisioning for your air conditioning system. That's again another wire that you see for the air conditioning system. And that's the tap. This is the drainage vessel. ये सारा का सारा पाइप अभी हम कवर करा देंगे आपको. ये बैक सराउंडिंग्स कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. That's again the provisioning for the air conditioning system given in the second bedroom. This was the second bedroom of the house. यहाँ पर मैं एक अच्छी सी artistic painting आप लगा सकते हैं. This is the third bedroom of the property. On the surface you will see the Italian flooring. That's your closet, boot space underneath. A normal ceiling design with the grouping done on the ceiling. This is the provisioning for the air conditioning system. Plain wall, left wall stays empty for your customization. You've got the running wooden console shelf, and this is a complete wooden console. This is the place where television would be hung. This is also connected with the washroom out here. A beautiful vanity by Jaguar, Italian stone, natural, this is Italian stone countertop, and that's the cabinetry space. Wall mounted commode seat, tiles on this surface, designer tiles on the walls. You've got the rain head by Continental. This is all Jaguar, again Italian running shelf. This geyser is by Crompton, and you've got the mirror here. Nice washroom. This is again UPVC, which has a mesh door and a fixed window. This is the backyard of the house once again. So you'll be sharing this balcony in commonly with the third and the second bedroom of the house. Let's cover up the kitchen now. This is the entrance of the kitchen. A beautiful sheet is placed here on the exteriors of the kitchen. This is a beautiful tiling work done. बहुत ही अच्छा टाइल लगाया हुआ है, टेक्सचर्ड है और हाइलाइटर है थोड़ा सा. इधर में आप रेफ्रिजरेटर अपना प्लेस कर सकते हो. This is your storage space. That's the space for your veggies. That's the space for your for your fruits. This is a natural granite countertop, a natural stone which is going to be stain free. This is the place where you'll be placing your hob, and you've got a chimney by Sunflame. That's your exhaust fan. That's again a fixed window, dual sink with the washer's vessel, and this is something that you wash your utensils and you park it there. That's the provisioning for your geyser. This is the space to keep your cutlery. That's the space you can keep your multi-grains out here, and you've got sufficient space. You've got Italian on the flooring, a small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. You've got 4 rectangular ceiling designs, and you've got a fan above me. This was all about the kitchen. And before we sign off, this is the entrance door, which has a big quality, door handle. And this is your security system. Supposedly if somebody is coming down to your house or you want to authorize that person, you can see that person who's actually roaming outside, and then you give your authorization for that person to come inside your home. So this was all about the 240 square yards for Shant Lok Phase 3 Sector 57. You were watching Anupam Gambhir from Estate Experts. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Don't forget to give us your thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed us, please subscribe. Thank you.